The question says, in a meter bridge experiment, a coil X of number of turns N and radius R made up of wire of specific resistance rho and cross sectional area A is connected in the left gap. In the right gap, a coil Y of number of turns 2N and radius 3R made up of wire of resistance specific resistance rho and cross sectional area 2A is connected. What is the position of the null point from the right end of the meter bridge wire? Now this is very important. They mentioned right end. So generally when we write X by R as L upon 100 minus L, this particular thing refers to the L being measured from the left end. So now if we want to measure the length from the right end, we have to consider the denominator as L, which is measured from right end, and the numerator as 100 minus L. So basically X by R for this particular sum will be 100 minus L upon L. And definitely instead of X by R we can place X by Y, because there are two coils X and Y. Now if we refer it individually, X we can write it as rho Lx by Ax. Similarly Y as rho Ly by Ay. Now practically rho is same for both the case as they have mentioned in the question. Now since it is a coil, the length of that coil will be nothing but the circumference into the number of times that thing is coiled. That means rho into 2 pi Rx into number of turns for X upon Ax. So similarly this will be rho into 2 pi Ry Ny by Ay. So now if we take the ratio for this two, we get X by Y as rho gets cancelled, 2 pi gets cancelled, it will be Rx by Ry into Nx by Ny into Ay by Ax. So now we just need to substitute the values. Rx is given as R, whereas Ry is given as 3R, Nx is given as N, Ny is given as 2N, and Ax is given as A, whereas Ay is given as 2A. So if we cancel these terms, we can also cancel this 2 over here. We get X by Y as 1 by 3. So now if we substitute this 1 by 3 over here, we get 1 by 3 is equal to 100 minus L by L. That gives L is equal to 300 minus 3L. That is 4L is equal to 300. And so L will be equal to 75 centimeter. So 75 centimeter will be the balancing length measured from right end.